So welcome back to the math review. For each of these questions, we need to look at the number that's given and say whether it is or is not an integer. We'll write yes if it is an integer and no if it's not. So let's take a look at number 1. Here we're given the number 5, and the answer is yes, this is an integer because it's a positive number that is whole. Number 2, the answer is no. Because it's a mixed number, that means it cannot be an integer. Number 3, 2 and 5/10. The answer is no. Because it's a decimal, and decimals cannot be integers because they're not numbers that are whole. Number 4, 0. The answer is yes. And 0 is the most important integer because it separates the positive numbers on the number line from the negative numbers on the number line. Number 5, -7 and 2/10. The answer is no. It is not an integer because it's a decimal. Number 6, 3.14159. The answer is no, because decimals cannot be integers. Number 7, -9/2. The answer is no. And the reason why is because it's a fraction, and fractions cannot be integers because integers are either 0, positive numbers that are whole, or negative numbers that are whole. Number 8, 11. The answer is yes, it is an integer because it's a number that's whole. Number 9, -9 and 8/10. The answer is no, because it's a decimal, therefore it cannot be an integer. And finally, number 10, -4. The answer is yes, it is an integer. And that's because it's a negative number that is also whole. There's no decimal, there's no fraction next to it. It's not part of a fraction. It is definitely 100% an integer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Math Review.